In this video, I'll be showing you how to use iPhone as a second monitor for PC with USB. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, using your phone as a second monitor for your PC via USB is the best method to expand your screen real estate without dealing with Wi-Fi lag or latency. And while iOS doesn't support this natively, you can establish a lightning fast wide connection using highly optimized third-party tools. So what you want to do is download your screen extender app. The two most reliable low latency apps for a wide USB connection are Duet Display or Space Desk. So what you want to do is on your phone, go to the App Store and search up Space Desk and download it for free. And on your PC, what you want to do is go over to your browser of choice, go to the official Space Desk website, and then what we want to do is go over to the Microsoft Store and press download right now on Space Desk, and then it's going to run a quick installer. So we're just going to let that run. We can close the browser extension, and it says the latest version is installed because I already, have the latest version. And it's going to look something like this. Now, what I want to do is says I have to establish the USB connection engine. So to allow Windows PC to securely talk to your iPhone over a physical cable, you need Apple's network drivers installed on your PC. So if you haven't already, go ahead and install iTunes. And now, or it can be the Apple Devices app. And then what you want to do is plug in your iPhone to your PC. Make sure it is connected properly. It's best to use a high quality USB-C cable or a USB-C to Lightning cable. And then what you're going to do is unlock your phone screen. If it says allow this, device to, if you want to trust the computer, go ahead and press yes. You might have to type in your passcode, and then it's going to ask for your Face ID once you go ahead and do that. So just give it whatever it needs. And then what you want to do is open up the Space Desk application on your iPhone. And then once you go ahead and do that, it's going to look for a primary machine. What you need to also do is go back to your browser of choice on your PC, and you need to go to spacedesk.net and then download the latest driver for Windows. It can be for Windows 10 or 11. And then in my instance, I'm on Windows 11, so I'm going to download the 64-bit version. Let that install, and then you got to basically go ahead and run it. So I'm going to accept the terms and agreement, press next, and it says add an exception. Press next, press install, and then let that install. We're then going to end the task right now for the AnyDesk viewer because we don't need the viewer right now. And we just got to let this install. So just leave this on in the background. It could take a minute or two. Now, once it's installed, what we want to do is go back to the AnyDesk application. And then the Space Desk application. So we're just going to type in Space Desk right here. And then on my PC or on my phone, I'm going to see my PC come up. Then I'm going to go ahead and press allow. And then that's it. It's all I'm going to do is it's going to be able to show on my PC. And just to confirm it, as you can see, it shows up my PC on my iPhone, and you can just connect to it and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.